This is again a very, very beautiful question asked in 2024 examination. And this is the beautiful concept of diffusion and drift, and how the equilibrium reach, how the non-uniform doping creates internal electric field. And if you learn this concept logically, this question is very beautifully formed, but you can answer this question very, very easily in examination. Let us discuss this question. The free electron concentration profile NX is a doped semiconductor at equilibrium is shown in the figure. This is the graph. The concentration of electron with x, distance x. Obviously this is non-uniform doping case because concentration of electron is varying with distance x. Okay, so where the points A, B, C mark three different positions, A, B, C, obviously. Which of the following statement is all true? This is MSQ question, so you need to find out all the possible correct options. If you leave any option not marked, then you will not get any mark. Okay. Okay, let us discuss the problem and one by one option. For X between B and C, this reason, the electron diffusion current is directed from C to B. Electron diffusion current is directed from C to B. So obviously here the concentration of electron is higher near B end and lower near C end. So obviously electron will diffuse in this direction from higher concentration to lower concentration in this region, and the current will be ion diffusion will definitely be from C to B, because current will always flow from in the opposite direction of the electron flow. So in BC region, the current electron diffusion current will be from C to B. So this option is absolutely correct. So option A is absolutely correct. Okay. Now option B. In MSQ question, you need to check all the options because you need to find out all the possible correct options. Okay. For X between B and A, this reason. Okay. The electron drift current is directed from B to A. Why drift current comes into picture? Because of non-uniform doping, even in the absence of external source, diffusion current start flowing. And you know that in the absence of external source, any device or any material will always be in equilibrium and net current has to be zero. So as soon as due to non-uniform doping, diffusion current start flowing, a built-in electric field develops. An electric field gets developed inside the semiconductor, which creates a drift component whose magnitude is equal in magnitude with the diffusion current but opposite in the direction of the diffusion current, so that the net current becomes zero. And they ask the direction of the drift current in region B to A. So we need to find out the direction of the diffusion current, and drift current will definitely be in the opposite of that direction current. Okay. Now in B to A region, electron will diffuse from higher concentration to lower concentration, this from B to A, and electron diffusion current will come out to be in this direction in B to A region. So diffusion current is in between region A and B. Diffusion current between points A and B, diffusion current of electron is from A to B. So to counter that current, an electric field must develop so that a drift component of electron comes into picture, and that direction should be opposite to this diffusion and magnitude should be equal to this diffusion current. Okay, so there is a drift component. This is the drift component. Okay, and this is the diffusion. Okay, diffusion. Okay, so drift component of the current should be from B to A to counter this diffusion current. And also to have this drift current, there must be an electric field, and always remember the drift current, whether due to electrons, whether due to holes, is always in the direction of the electric field. So built-in electric field in B to A region must be from B to A. Built-in electric field in B to A region must be from B to A, so that due to this electric field, electron will produce a drift current in this direction B to A. Current due to electrons or holes, drift current due to electrons or holes, always current is always in the direction of the electric field. Always remember that, whether it is due to electron or whether due to holes. So built-in electric field in AB region will be from B to A, is directed from B to A, and that produces a drift current of electron from B to A. So X between B and A, the electron drift current is directed from B to A. This option is also correct. So option B is also correct. For X between B and C, okay, the electric field is directed from B to C. Here we know that the diffusion current is flowing from C to B, electron, and to counter this diffusion current, because in the absence of external source, net current has to be zero, so there must be an internal electric field developed such that it produces a drift current opposite in the direction of diffusion current, equal in magnitude with the diffusion current, so that the net current becomes zero. So diffusion current is in this direction, so drift component must be in this direction in B to C region. And if drift you want to have a drift current in this direction, your electric field which is developed internally must be directed from B to C. So in this region an internal electric field will develop which is from B to C, and that will produce a drift current from B to C in the direction of the electric field. Drift current is always in the direction of electric field, whether due to electrons, whether due to holes. So this electric field will produce a electron drift current from B to C, and that drift current will counter the diffusion current which is flowing from C to B, and therefore the net current in this region will become zero. So electric field will be from B to C, and drift component in region B to C will also be from B to C. So the electric field is directed from B to C. This option is also correct. Okay. For X between B and A, yes, the electric field is directed from A to B. Wrong option. We have found that in the region AB, the electric field must be from B to A, not from A to B. So this is wrong option. This is wrong option. So options A, B and C are correct. It's a very beautifully formed question from the diffusion and drift concept of non-uniform doping. How internal electric field gets developed. If you know the concept of internal electric field getting developed inside the semiconductor, then you can answer this question very easily. Otherwise, you will not be able to answer this question. You will find this question very, very tough. So let us discuss the next question. Okay.